While panels human rights as the fundamental things that need to be seen is an individual freedom itself of every human. Let's take a look on what is this motion debating on. A multinational corporation is framed to be companies that work over than one country and has a huge network in international. B country that active of human rights violations is portrayed as at a moment when a country is involved with so many cases of human violations on their country. C. So what it means by prohibiting operating in countries with an active human rights violations is when the MNC or multinational corporations do not supply or provide any kind of products or providing their products into that kind of country. So why it is urgent to be debating on? First, human right is an individual freedom that need to be prioritized. Second, in many cases, status quo has showed that many violations are done and no one noticed that is one of kind of a really bad cases that need to be solved. And third, in some cases, multinational corporations are supporting some countries that doing those kind of crime and by violating human rights itself. So, for example, we can see that at the moment when people are implementing cancel culture to the product of KFC, for example, because KFC is supporting Israel, to support Israel, indirectly, for example, KFC are giving support by financially support to Israel that at the moment they are trying to invade the Palestinian, for example. This kind of the examples on how this kind of motion is giving you a case. So, what is our BOP here? First, how by prohibiting MNC or multinational corporation to operate in certain countries is protecting individual freedom. And second, how by prohibiting MNC to operate we are making the world one step forward to be peace. And how third, how by prohibiting MNC to operate will not be that problem for MNC and the country because it's still fair and it's justified. Our argument, firstly, why prohibiting MNC to operate in certain countries with active human rights violation is unjustified. Some points to extend this debate on. A. By not operating, we will not harm instead of creating. First, stigmatization among all corporations and countries that frame to build an awareness of society that they do this because it is the urgency. People will can realize with the action of those kind of corporation because people will see that this is a big corporations, they have a good image among the society and people are kindly notice of that, people are looking for that and people give their attention to this to those kind of multinational corporation because they have those kind of connections among the society. And then second, let the country to respond the whole cases that is happening there that have never been touched by the government, for example. We can see that multinational corporation have so much big power with their financial, with their connections, with their image among the society in real life or on social media, for example. But at the end of the day, why does the country likely looking for a safe condition? Because A, they need a good profile in international life, on how B, they avoid an international judgment. So those kind of country will likely realize and aware about the conditions inside of their country because they are looking for a safe condition. They are looking for those kind of they are avoiding social judgment, for example, from the society, and they are looking for the support from the citizen, for example. This is what is happening right now. And then B, big corporation will create much advantage by holding big social responsibility. We have to realize that as big as possible a corporation is, they will gain a good profile among the society, right? And society will demand many things towards their big power, for example. This is not this is not something unusual, but this is something normal that happening under our side of the house. Why this has happened? Because big corporation contains many consumers, and the consumer will likely demand that because at the moment when we are talking about this condition, while the corporation will likely do not mind that the operation is stopped in certain country because first, MNC contains many consumers all over the world. MNC is facing two things here. First, they will losing their advantage of operating in certain country, or they will losing their good profile and lost many consumers internationally all over the world. This is the fact that we need to receive here. At the moment, MNC will likely choose to lose their operation in certain country or and aim to create bigger advantage by first creating good profile by helping and support to solve the problem of human rights in certain country, and B, by this MNC will get no harm instead of advantage. At the end of the day, it is justified to do because no one harm and country will still be exist without MNC because country can gain another advantage of another aspects, for example. Second, how MNC take a big role to help human rights violation cases in this debate. Let's analyze how is the conditions under our side of the house. Human rights is something to be seen but difficult to be solved. MNC has a big role. Ruling is need to be taken part of these cases. But why under our side of the house? Once more, it is better than opposition because we provide a better mechanism. First, we will stop our operation in that country. Second, we stop the operation will be step by step by allocating significant portion into another operation. And third, by this, the people works will not likely getting harmed by getting divorced. On how the last need to be noted that this mechanism will only implement if the country is never be done with their system with the cases of human violation, for example, and for example the cases of human violations in Israel, in Iran, and then etc. By providing this model, we have proved to you that in our side of the house, instead of only stopping the operation, we find solution about solve peace and provide better actions for Musa. No one will be harmed under our side or even under opposition side. So what is the best and worst scenario in both sides? The best scenario under proposition and opposition. Firstly, under proposition, we could achieve a better world in a peace where it could lead to a solution provided where it could create an awareness to the society and also to the government that government will likely do their action based on the demand of the society because they think that I have power but society are give attention to us, so they will likely aware to the condition that happen inside of the country. And now secondly, on side of opposition, they can operate the MNC and the country can get more advantage because they are giving so much consumers there. But at the worst scenario under our side, the MNC might be need to adjust and spend more effort to gain more consumers because they do not operating in certain country. But second, inside of the opposition, they live in toxic world where violation are exist anywhere. So at the very least, at the end of the day, our side of the house still exists in the world as human that struggle human rights, and it will always be forever. So at the very least, under our side of the house, awareness, cariness, and etc. are exist under our side of the house, and under opposition of the house, they are closing their eyes about the human rights that is the first fundamental things that need to be prioritized in this debate. So under our side, we believe that we could achieve and we could fulfill the goals of our BOP. So by all this reason, so proud to propose. Thank you.